Hey everybody, welcome to my shop. Time to get back on the Arbor Sport build. So I am just marking the blocks and coming in 7/8 of an inch. Keep this in frame for you guys. Let me get that just a little bit better so you can see her. And the battery's getting ready to die. Hold on, let me switch batteries. And we're back with a fresh battery. That's the one thing about these GoPros. They suck the batteries down, don't they? So using the bevel gauge, get our marks lined up. This is just a sanity mark here. So hopefully you guys can see those two scribe lines. And I think what I'm going to do is just get this set up in the mill and just take an end mill and we'll just chew this material down until we get us a nice 45. So see you over at the mill. Somebody's sleepy. See, he's growing. Say, hey YouTube, hi. Say, what are you bothering me for, Daddy? I'm almost as long as a shaper now. Growing like a weed. Thou depths of cut with a 3/4 inch new 4-flute Japanese high-speed steel end mill. Just chewing it down. Alrighty, we are done. Hopefully you can see that. Let me see if I can get you closer. We're right on the line there. So, sweet. One down, one more to go. Bring you in here, just doing a little test fit. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like we are where we need to be. It is just a little bit proud, so if you lift it up to get it in, it'll sit like this, and that'll be perfect. That'll give us enough cinching room, about about 100th thou or so. So we are good to go. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other block knocked out. So both blocks are done, and I'm going handheld to show you. What we need to do now is kind of like cut down that part right there. If you notice kind of how it is, well, I'm in the light there, so that way if we slide this arbor support farther up on the ram, we're going to be like up here, so that way we don't have to worry about any interferences. So for fun, I think we'll do is we'll take it over to the shaper, put both of these back to back, and we'll just remove about, I don't know, about 1/4 of an inch. We'll probably do it. So let's go have some shaper action. Got it set up. I got my 0. Let's take some cuts, see how she's going to do. I think I got you in a good spot. .40 depth of cut. See if I can get the GoPro right there on it. Done. Let me get this cleaned up and we'll get a measurement. Okay, got it cleaned up and broke that edge, so we should be good. Let me get this cleaned up here at the bottom and get a good reading. All right, let me see what we got. Let me put some eyeballs on so I can read these little numbers. So I got another 64 thou to go. We'll do a 40 thou depth of cut, and then we'll do a 24. As you can see, I got you on the machine. It's a little bit shaky, so sorry about that. Of course, the GoPro battery's about to die, so let's see how much footage we can get before I gotta turn you guys off. Last pass, 24th thou depth of cut. Just wrapped up, got it cleaned, got that top deburred. So let's see if we actually hit the number we were striving for. Obviously it's not critical, but it'd be nice to try. Good practice for me on the shaper here. And we had 1 inch 991 thousandths. So if we're doing a 1/4 of an inch, 250 minus that gives me 1.741. And let's see, that's 7. That's 50, 40. We may be there. Hang on. Well, I overshot it by 5 thou, so oh well, it was just a nominal number, but good practice. So get these out, we'll get these deburred, and then we'll get them over to the milling machine, and we need to drill holes into this and the base and get the studs installed. Okay, I like that. That's a lot better. But since we are already basically flush here and we don't have any room, I don't think I want to move her forward to give us room on there, a gap to tighten down. So I think what I want to do is just go ahead and trim the bottom a little bit. You know, maybe take about 100 thou off, and that will give us a gap. We'll still stay flush, and it'll still look, you know, like we know what we're doing. So back over to the shaper, and we'll take some more material off. Just wrapped up that pass. Should be about at our numbers. This is just I was just going to take 100 thou off, so it's just kind of a round number. Shooting for 175. So we are about 3.5 thou tall. Oh well, that is fine for this. I'll take it. So now we need to get them out, get them deburred, and back over to the mill to drill some holes.